Hello guys, you're welcome to BM-800, and today we are going to review and unbox the BM-800 condenser microphone. The BM-800 condenser microphone is an excellent option if you're looking for a great mic used in studio. It has a low cost of less than $50. The BM-800 condenser microphone is a complete solution for your home studio setup. It is a condenser microphone that picks up the sound without any noise to eliminate background sound with a wide range. This microphone is very simple to set up. As you can see on your screen, these are what you will see in the box. So these are some of the various components that you'll be seeing in the box. We are going to take them one after the other. So first, we have the XLR to 3.5mm jack cable. We have the foldable stand, and we have the clamp. We have the shock mount, and we also have the microphone itself. That's the microphone for you. And we have the pop filter. That's the pop filter to reduce noise. And we have the microphone cover that also prevents the microphone from background noise. And finally, we have the audio splitter, USB audio splitter. That's it. Let's get into how to set it up. So we first take the foldable stand and insert the clamp on it. After, we take the shock mount and scroll it over it, and you insert the microphone cover in the microphone. After, you put it into the shock mount. So you tighten the nuts. If you are enjoying this video, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos of this type. Then you take the 3.5mm jack, then you insert it into the microphone. Then you insert it into the USB audio splitter. So right now all you do is you have to mount your clamp to your table and also insert your USB splitter to your laptop.